this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Jupiter in Scorpio. And people with this placement really like to dig deep for the truth. They like to find the hidden truths, and they also really enjoy occult knowledge and the mysterious side of life. They also enjoy finding out secrets and bringing secrets out into the world. And they can make really good marine divers, psychics, mystics, and they can also be involved in witchcraft. And like I said, they like to find the mystical secrets of life and the mysteries of life. They can make great investigators and spies. And Jupiter doesn't really like to be in Scorpio, but it's really somebody who digs deep for the truth. They can be attracted to partners that can hide things from them and kind of hide their past from them as well. They can also marry people who are very intense business people, business owners. They can also be police officers and attracted to people who also are in the mystical side of life and also enjoy scuba diving. And that's my interpretation of Jupiter in Scorpio.